Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we pretty much mucked around most week down in these levels here, and then eventually we had a bit of a squirt down, and buyers came in, which is what you expect in an upward trend. And as soon as they came in, I don't know what they came in off, because there's no real level here. Unless it's a round number. No, 34,150. I suppose it could be a round number, but they did come in down the bottom here, and they bought back into this. As a result, we now have a crossover of the moving averages, and they are both pointing. The oscillators are pointing up at the moment. We've also broken this trend line. Now, from a monthly perspective, we have a massive hanging man. So, that is, at the moment it's green. It's there's nothing to read into it, to be honest, but until we break below it. If we break below it, then it starts validating that picture. But it obviously have to close below it on the monthly for it to be validated. So at the moment, oscillators, price action, it does look a little bit worrying. If you look at the 8 hour, we've got a trend line break, so you would expect some support to be found in this zone here, which is kind of similar picture to what we see on the S&P. So 34,500 looks like the bulls are trying to make that the line in the sand. I'm not convinced. We've got end of quarter now, so we're in the new quarter, we're in a new month. We've got jobs number this afternoon, we've got non-farm payrolls number tomorrow, and also got a long weekend coming up. It's July the 4th. So quite a few things that could impact the market at the moment. I don't think there's much difference on the 3 hour. You can see this 8 hour top that I was looking at was definitely the opportunity, but look how we came back to break to the downside. That has formed a double top, double bottom. So there's the first one, there's the second one, testing the moving averages, crossing over. But that's the only thing that worries me. Look at your oscillators, they are pretty much close to oversold. And look to the left, there's a lot of chaos to the left. So, something else I saw there. Is a big cup and handle here. So here's a cup, here's the handle as well. So this zone is important. I think that's the bottom line. If we can find support here at 34,500 and we can maintain support here, then I'd be looking for opportunities to buy into this, but with really tight stops. I'd want my stop as close to 3,500 as possible. So it'll have to be a pretty solid pullback and a pretty solid bar bouncing off that before I look at that. Look at my oscillators indicating no reason to be buying at this level. So don't be too surprised to see this drop below the monthly close, and the monthly close is up here now. So put that level in. That's the monthly close. So that is going to become a pretty important level to a lot of algorithms, because it's a monthly close. So don't be too surprised to see it bounce off here, and a nice deep pullback would be nice. That would get me back in long. But at the moment, just sit on hands and let's just wait and see what data comes out this afternoon and tomorrow. If we do get a decent pullback, I'm definitely buying into this and holding into the jobs number tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. But probably play that on the S&P 500 rather than the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a bit messy at the moment. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.